Hi, Brooke. Hi. Yeah, thank you for the smile. Are you just happy they're bouncing? Yeah.
Say hi, Dad. Hi, Dad.
Let's see, how do we operate? Ooh, look at all these controls we have. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Bounce, bounce. Well, and then, guess what? We have to go ahead and zoom out and zoom into the dog. Hey, dog. Hey, senior. Hey, buddy. Hey. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. You knocked it over. Yeah, I know. Not your fault. It was the cat's fault. Yes. See the cat all the way over there? He's the one that did it. Yeah. Oh, what a good dog.
Yeah.
And then what we do is we go slowly over to Grandma, who's all washed out from the back fade. Yes. She's just over there munching on apples.
Good apple.
Brooke, can you say Dada? Dada? Okay. Yeah?
Silly.
Yeah, that's pretty close to Dada. Ooh. Dada. Yeah.
Good girl. Are you Grandma's good girl? Yeah.
Hey, look at this. Hi. Hi.
Good girl.
Good girl. Okay, well, I'm going to turn it off. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay.